Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Mentor. In this video, I'm going to share the new project which I got on Upwork. Basically, I was a virtual assistant for one of my clients, so he was giving me different kind of tasks. He told me that you have to find this lead for me from Google and from LinkedIn. So I was doing that different kind of work for him. So then one day he sent me that you have to find the restaurant and the in California state. You don't need to find any other information, only you have to find from California state. So now I want to show you what kind of information he want that I to collect for him. So basically he told me that restaurant only from California state, 100 record field to be filled, restaurant name, address, city, state, zip code, phone number, website, email. So remember guys, he told me that this information are necessary. If you didn't find any of them, just skip the restaurant. You don't need to add the restaurant in Excel file. You have to find all the information. Okay, so you must have to find the email address, website, phone number, zip code, state, whatever the information are here. So you have to find all the information, and he paid me $10 for 100 record. Okay, so now I will show you how I find this information from Google. So guys, what you need to do first, you have to copy this information from here. You can see, so I have copied this information. Then you have to come here and Google, and then you have to paste it here guys. Okay, after pasting here, then you have to click enter in your keyboard. After doing that, you will be able to see this data. Okay, so the most important thing which you must do guys, you have to click in that. After you search this information in Google, then you have to click in here in setting, then see all setting. Okay, then you have to click in 100 result, and after that you come down here and click on show more. After that you have to select here United States. This is a very important guys. Remember, if you miss that, maybe you find some incorrect detail, so must try to select this data, because is you know, California is a state of United States, so we are finding data from United States now. So you must have to select United States here. Okay, so then you have to click on save, then click OK. After that you will see some kind like that, so just click on I'm not a robot, then click on traffic light. Okay, then click next, then select vehicle. You know, it's so very difficult to verify this kind of things, so let's move to the next step. Okay guys, so what you need to do now, you have to remove this information from here. Okay, so just click restaurant in California state, you have to click on that. Okay, after clicking on that guys, now you can see we have found a lot of information here, so you have to click on more places. There are also other websites from here you can get this data, but I will recommend you to use Google Maps. So just click on more information, more place. After that guys, now you can see we have found a lot of data from here. Now you can see after completing this, then you have to click on this, and there are plenty of data available here. So guys, now you have to click on the first restaurant. Okay, after clicking on that guys, now you can see there is no website available for this business, so you have to not collect data from that, because the client was instruction us that you have to find the website also. So I don't want to waste my time by finding this website and do other things, so just leave with that and come to the next entry. After that, now you can see the website is available here, so just click on that website. After clicking on the website, now we have to wait some to see if the email address available here, then we will collect this data. Okay, so let's see, just click on that, just click on contact. After clicking on contact, now let's see if the email address available here, but guys, you can see the email address is not available here. So let's click on about. Let's click on about and see if we can find some other information here, but you can see guys, the information are not available, and we are not able to see any Facebook page here, because if there was a Facebook page, so we will be able to get their email from their Facebook page. So just, you know guys, leave it. Yeah, you can also guys just search this information in Google. Maybe if we found their Facebook page here in Google, as you can see guys, here we have found the Facebook page here. Let's see, here is the Facebook page guys. You can see here is the restaurant and here is the company, so just click on that. After clicking on that guys, you can also just do another method, just write email. Maybe if we found the email address here, but email address is not available here. So just see if we have found the email address here in this page. Yeah, guys, you can see the email address are available here. Look, here is the email address, but I also want to verify that if the address are correct or not. So just click on that website. Let's see. Okay guys, now you can see guys, we found the look. Just let me open this website. Look, this website and this website are similar, so it's mean that's the accurate page of this business. So we have to copy this data now from here. Okay, so first guys, we have to copy this business name from here. So just copy this business name and just paste it here. Okay, then guys, we have to copy the zip code. So the last one is zip code of any business. So here is the zip code, so just copy this and now we have to paste it here. Okay, after that you have to copy the state name. So C is the state of is a shortcut of California, so just copy that. After that guys, you have to copy the city of California, so just copy the city name. After that, paste it here. Okay, now we have to copy the other address of this business, so just copy this address from here. After that, you have to paste it here. Okay, now we have to copy the website URL, so just copy this website URL from here, and now we have to paste it here. Okay, now we have to guys, copy the contact number. So the contact number, you can see guys, here is also the contact number available. So you can also copy the contact number from here. You can also copy from here, you can see guys. So I just copy from there and now I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so now we have to find the email address. So here guys, you can see here is the email address of this business. You can see, remember guys, if you didn't find the email address of any business in their website, so you can search their restaurant name and you can add their business email from restaurant. As in this case, you can see we have found the restaurant email address here on the Facebook page. So just copy this email address and now paste it here guys. So we have complete our one entry. So now we have to cut this everything and now we have to move to the next entry. So just click on that. So just click on the next business. So now we have to check if the email address is available here. So I just open that and now guys, you can see here we have found some data here. So now let's see if we can find the email address of this business here. So let's guys open their Facebook page. Here is the Facebook page and let's see if we can find the email address here on this Facebook page. So you can see guys, here is the email address of available in this business. So just copy this email address. After copying that, just paste it here. Okay, the email address, you have to paste the email address here. And now guys, you have to copy the business business name from here. Here is the business name, so just copy this business name and now we have to paste it here. Okay, now we have to copy the zip code of this business. So here is the zip code, so just copy the zip code and now we have to paste it here. Okay, now we have to copy the CA. So guys, you can also use that, like just click on that. After clicking on that, you can see CA is already right here automatically. Okay, so now we have to copy the city name from here. So here is the city name, so just copy the city name and paste it here. Okay, now we have to copy other address from here. So here is the other address, so just copy this address guys and now we have to paste it here. And now we have to copy the email, now we have to copy the contact number. So here is the contact number, so just copy this contact number from here and now we have to paste it here. Okay, so just remove that. Okay, now we have to copy the website link. So here is the website link, so just copy this website link and paste it here. Okay, so guys, you can see I have completed 2 entries and now we have to complete 98 other entries. So if I do every entry, and then the video will be so much long, because I know you people don't watch a long video. So I think that will be enough for today. And if you have any kind of questions, so you can comment. And remember guys, as I told you in the beginning, that client told me that you have to find each information like restaurant name, zip code, city, phone number, website, email. In some cases, maybe the one restaurant don't have website, so then you have to skip that skip that restaurant. You don't have to add this restaurant if they don't have website, if they don't have email, phone number. Remember guys, that's a very important instruction. So anyway, thank you guys. So you can create a virtual assistant portfolio for yourself from this project. And you can, if you like this kind of work, you can do on Upwork and also on Fiverr.com. And if you want to learn more about that, you can subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can also watch this video. I have already shared with you other projects similar like that. So anyway, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you later.